Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the most detailed and honest breakdowns of the latest gear for your kitchen, home, and beyond. And today, we're diving into what we consider the best Dehydrator Jerky fruit vegetable machine on the market right now. The Septree household food dehydrator with 8 stainless steel trays. Let's start by addressing what makes this machine stand out in a very competitive space. First off, capacity. This isn't your average home dehydrator. The Septree comes equipped with 8 food-grade stainless steel trays, each measuring 12.6 by 12.6 inches. That gives you over 8.8 square feet of drying space. Whether you're drying herbs from your garden, making beef jerky for your next road trip, or preserving fruit for snacking year-round, this machine has the space to do it all, and then some. With a temperature range from 70 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit and a 24-hour digital timer, the Septree gives you precise control over your dehydration process. Whether you're drying delicate herbs or thick slices of meat, you can tailor the settings exactly to your needs. The rear-mounted drying fan, paired with airflow circulation technology, ensures even heat distribution across all levels. This machine is made with 304 food-grade stainless steel, and the front panel features a glass door so you can monitor the progress of your food without opening the unit. The upgraded double-row vent design is a smart touch. It helps speed up moisture removal and enhances the drying process. You're not just getting power with the 800-watt motor, you're getting intelligent engineering that makes that power count. One of the most overlooked features in dehydrators is noise. If you've used loud models before, you'll appreciate this. The Septree runs at just 45 to 50 decibels. There's automatic shut-off when the timer ends, plus built-in overheat protection. They even throw in a pair of heat-resistant silicone gloves to prevent burns when checking on hot trays. That's a thoughtful touch. When it comes to cleaning, the trays and drip tray are all removable and dishwasher safe. Combined with the stainless steel finish, cleanup becomes quick and painless. The unboxing experience is impressive too. In the box, you get 8 stainless steel trays, 4 non-stick silicone sheets, 1 drip tray, 2 storage containers, a pair of silicone gloves, the user manual, and a recipe book to get you started. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned dehydrating enthusiast, you've got everything you need. Just a heads up. This machine runs on 120 volts, which is standard for the US, Canada, and Mexico. If you're using it internationally, you may need a converter. In our opinion, this is the most well-rounded dehydrator for home and light commercial use. It's powerful, quiet, efficient, and safe. And considering all the accessories and thoughtful design features, the value is phenomenal. So if you're looking to take control of your food preservation, make healthy snacks, or get serious about jerky, this is the one. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. See you in the next one.